Hey everybody, it's Pineski's President's Day sale. Ah, crap. We should sell like, oh, forget it.
That's all I got.
December 29th to December 1st. We have 20 to 50% off. Snowboards, boots, bindings, and everything else.
Everybody point a different direction.
Yeah. You put these bad Larrys on, you push a button, you turn on the heat, you're golden, you're nice and warm.
Red, white, or blue. I'm laughing.
Okay, good call. Okay. It wasn't rolling, so I had to kind of think of it. Hey, check this out. Look at all these boots. Look at all these bindings. Look at the boards we got here. Holy crap. You guys should come in and check us out. I don't know.